Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used exciting Audi Q2 S-Line 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the stunning arrow grey, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 7,236 miles. Standing on an impressive 18-inch alloy wheel with a 5-segment spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full with just a press of a button. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with an ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And to the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo, and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port, into maps, to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease, telephone, to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, media, to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio, to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and in the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Below, you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature, stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging point, 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox, an electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and the MMI multimedia display control pad. This approved used Audi Q2 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.